When it comes to creating a comfortable living environment, windows play a crucial role in maintaining the temperature, light, and overall ambiance of your home. For Orangeburg homeowners, where the climate brings hot, humid summers and cooler winters, energy-efficient windows are a game-changer. These windows not only save on energy costs but also significantly enhance indoor comfort. Here's how energy-efficient windows make your Orangeburg home a more enjoyable place to live. Temperature regulation for year-round comfort. Orangeburg's climate can be extreme, with blazing summers and chilly winters. Traditional windows often allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows address this issue with features like low-E coatings. A special layer on the glass reflects heat and UV rays in the summer while retaining warmth in the winter. Double or triple panes. Multiple layers of glass, with insulating gas like argon in between, create a barrier that minimizes heat transfer. Insulated frames. Modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass prevent heat conduction around the edges of the window. By reducing temperature fluctuations, these features create a stable and comfortable indoor climate, regardless of the season. Elimination of draft. Drafty windows are a common problem in older homes, allowing cold air to seep in during the winter and hot air during the summer. This not only makes certain areas of your home uncomfortable but also forces your HVAC system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows eliminate drafts with advanced sealing technology, including weather stripping. Tight seals around the edges of the window block air leaks. Advanced caulking. Durable caulking prevents gaps and cracks where air could escape. With draft-free windows, every room in your Orangeburg home stays comfortable, even on the hottest or coldest days. Reduced humidity and moisture. Orangeburg's high humidity levels can lead to condensation on traditional windows, which not only obscures your view but also creates an uncomfortable indoor environment. Over time, this moisture can even damage window frames and promote mold growth. Energy-efficient windows help combat humidity issues by improved insulation, keeping outdoor humidity from infiltrating your home. Condensation resistance. Specialized glass coatings and insulated frames reduce the likelihood of condensation forming on your windows. The result is a drier, more comfortable living space that protects both your health and your home. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. As Orangeburg grows, noise from traffic, construction, or neighbors can disrupt the tranquility of your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize noise transmission with features like thicker glass. Multiple panes of glass create a sound barrier. Tightly sealed frames. Prevent external noise from seeping through cracks or gaps. With energy-efficient windows, your home becomes a quieter sanctuary where you can relax and enjoy your space. Improved natural light without heat. Natural light enhances the comfort and livability of any home. However, in Orangeburg, too much sunlight can lead to excessive heat and glare, making certain rooms uncomfortable during the day. Energy-efficient windows allow you to enjoy natural light without the downsides by incorporating low-E coatings. These coatings reduce heat gain while letting in plenty of light. Tinted glass options minimize glare while maintaining visibility. This balance of light and comfort allows you to make the most of your living spaces without overheating or straining your eyes. Consistent HVAC performance. With traditional windows, your heating and cooling system may struggle to keep up, leading to uneven temperatures throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows reduce the workload on your HVAC system by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. This not only improves comfort but also extends the life of your HVAC system and lowers energy costs, a win-win for Orangeburg homeowners. Enhanced aesthetic and functionality. Beyond practical benefits, energy-efficient windows also improve the look and functionality of your home. Their sleek designs and customizable features complement any style, while innovations like tilt-in sashes make cleaning and maintenance easier. When your windows look great and function smoothly, it adds to the overall comfort and satisfaction of your living environment. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Orangeburg homeowners seeking to enhance the comfort of their homes. By regulating temperature, eliminating drafts, reducing noise, and allowing natural light without excess heat, these windows create a living space that feels better in every way. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an older one, energy-efficient windows can transform the way you experience comfort. Reach out to a trusted local window professional in Orangeburg to explore your options and start enjoying the benefits of a more comfortable, energy-efficient home today.